Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to download apps on your iPhone without payment method. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic to download any of the app on your iPhone. First of all, you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, you have to tap on your Apple ID. Now from here you have to tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account option. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys, because it's loading here. Maybe it will ask me to put my password. Now I have given the password. So after giving the password, what you need to do guys, just simply have to wait seconds. From here you have to tap on country or region. You can also see manage payment methods. If you have any payment method, just simply have to remove your payment method. Now after that, go back. Now again go back and just simply have to tap on country or region. Now from here you have to wait some seconds again. So let's wait guys. So after that guys, you can see change country or region option. Just simply have to tap on that. So from here you have to wait some seconds. So tap on change country or region, wait some seconds, scroll it down all the way. So from here you have to select your country. Now after selecting the country guys, wait some seconds. Now after that, yeah guys, you have to agree the terms and conditions. If you're agree, just simply have to tap on agree. Now from here you have to select your payment method at none. Now after that, you have to put the credentials, like you have to put the street number. You can also put street, city or state or zip code. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser, put the phone number. So you can put phone number, fake one as well, and just simply have to tap on next. Now after that guys, your payment method will be selected at none. You can easily download any of the app. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.